In this video, we're going to be talking about the top 5 miter saws, so get comfortable and let's dive in. We strive to give you the best recommendations in terms of price, performance, and intended use. The products featured in this video are not presented in any particular order, so be sure to watch to the end to find the one which is perfect for you. As always, the links to the most up-to-date prices are in the description. First up, we have the DeWalt 20V Max 7-14-inch. Integrated cut line crosscut positioning system provides adjustment-free cut line indication for better accuracy and visibility. Adjustable stainless steel miter detent plate with 11 positive stops improves productivity and ensures cutting accuracy. Rosemary from Australia gave this product 5 stars and said, "Cut 2x6s for a lean-to. Did the job." Dina from the United States gave this product 5 stars and said, "Just what I needed. Saw makes the job easier and faster." Rodolfo from the United States gave this product 5 stars and said, "This tool is of high quality, works great, highly portable." Antoinette from England gave this product 5 stars and said, "Used for vinyl flooring and building room addition, great tool." Janelle from USA gave this product 5 stars and said, "Great saw, versatile, easy to use and has all you need to do many projects, light, no cords, goes anywhere." Our next product comes highly recommended, the DeWalt Double Bevel Sliding. Integrated cut line blade positioning system provides adjustment-free cut line indication for better accuracy and visibility for the 12-inch miter saw blade. Alia from the United States gave this product 5 stars and said, "Definitely recommend to anyone looking to purchase a miter saw that's going to put it to hard constant usage." Charday from New Zealand gave this product 5 stars and said, "This wasn't a cheap investment, around $900 in all, buying the saw, stand, and stops, but it will make my work much easier and faster." Cassie from England gave this product 5 stars and said, "It is smooth and came fairly well set up from the factory, good enough for most projects, but will want to true it up for joinery or finishing work." For our next item, let's take a look at the Evolution Power Tools R210 CMS. Small but mighty, this is our most compact saw, with a 1200W high torque motor, optimized gearbox blade system. This saw gets any job done. Fabian from USA gave this product 5 stars and said, "Great saw for small projects around the house. This saw cuts through wood and metal. I like that, is small and light. Great value." Justin from the United States gave this product 5 stars and said, "It's not going to be as powerful as something like DeWalt or Milwaukee, but you are paying half the price for a perfectly capable machine." Kenton from USA gave this product 5 stars and said, "Its 8.25 saw blade is sufficient enough for cutting most sizes of wood/boards. I typically cut 2x4s, 1x6s, etc. Definitely appreciate this product because I have a much bigger saw that is a lot more cumbersome to move around for different projects." Our next product comes highly recommended, the RUITOOL Japanese hand saw. Optimal blade size. Through numerous manual tests, we found that the 6 Japanese saw blade is the ideal size for precise cutting, enabling easy flush and finish cuts. Double-edged, one side of Japanese hand saw is 17 TPI for cutting hardwood, and the other side is 14 TPI for cutting softwood. Hardened 3-edge teeth. The hand saw has 3-sided grinding gear design, sharp edge, faster chip removal, and smoother cutting. Asa from Canada gave this product 5 stars and said, "This saw works well and is well made. Needs a hole in the handle for hanging to keep it off the bench." Sheena from Canada gave this product 5 stars and said, "I bought this initially for a specific project, cutting wooden dowel plugs after being glued in wood holes, and this worked wonderfully." The last product we want to talk to you about is the Susan Japanese Flush Cut. On the other hand, Japanese hand saws cut materials via pulling and are called pull saws. In comparison to push saws, this Japanese product is lighter in weight, requires less power, and results in a cleaner edge. Japanese steel. All Susan Japanese saws consist of top-quality Japanese steel. The high-quality steel makes razor-sharp cuts. Made in Japan, all Suzen woodworking tools are manufactured in Japan by Japanese master craftsmen. The whole process of making these tools are completed in one of Japan's towns known for its craft-making tradition with a history of over 100 years. Blade for hardwood and softwood. With this small hand saw, you can easily cut oak, sandalwood, ebony, mahogany, maple, walnut and pine with a robust blade for hardwood. Thank you for taking the time to watch our video on the top 5 miter saws. We hope it was helpful. Remember, all the links to the products in this video are in the description down below. If any of the links are broken, please let us know in the comments, and we will fix it as soon as possible. Thank you for watching our video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you next time.